Hold on. Okay guys, welcome back to a video. This time I'm actually going to be playing White Noise. You guys haven't checked it out. It's a pretty good horror game. I forgot how to run. Okay, it's RT. I put it on easy because, yeah, I just want to do. So it's kind of like Slenderman. Basically, you got to find 8 tapes instead. Because after the disappearance of several people, it says. You guys probably hear the fan in the background. Summer. Well, gonna be summer for 3 days. It's a trick. Oh, what do you know? My God, this dude has some ugly feet. He needs to go get them waxed. You guys feel me? Is that a tape? That is a tape, I think. Nope, just a box. I gotta itch my neck. Why is there a grave here? I hear it. Oh, it's the pickle. Don't stare at the pickle, guys. Look, you can die. Do not stare at a pickle. Although, what does this pickle do? I heard that it killed you. You just... It looks kind of weird. Whoa. My screen's all weird. Oh, jeez. That kind of scared me. Oh, God. Whoa. God, that guy had a six-pack, though. I didn't actually think it was going to kill you. But I ain't gonna lie, guys. I ain't gonna lie. He did have a six-pack on him. There's no denying that. I think I'm gonna play on blind. I'm a little baby. And here, guys, I'll see you when this guy decides, to start it. Okay, guys, we're back. That person didn't really want to start it. Been there for like almost 30 minutes. Probably been about 20 minutes. I don't know, so I decided to do my own look at the camera on, what's it called? Nightmare mode? Or stuff, something like that. I don't know, how's that game question? Yeah. Anyway, I put it on Nightmare, the hardest mode there is. So let's go find these tapes. You guys probably hear my sister going, ugh. Background, she's just sleeping. Oh my God, you can't see anything when you're done running. No, and guys, and I'm only going to be doing this one time. If you guys want more, send me a message. Ooh. Oh, I won't call him a submarine. Oh my God, how is this even stable for people? How do I collect it? Oh, A. Thought I was tapping X. Oh, let's turn off the flashlight. This is Bunker 51, I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Let's go this way. And I got stuck. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh. People say don't look at him. Oh crap, he gets faster. He gets closer and closer if you don't run away. Oh, I ran out of... Oh, run, 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 run. Is he gone? No. Oh, I get goosebumps every time I look at him. Let's go to jail. No, it's too scary in there. I'm not going. Oh, oh. He probably... Oh, okay, okay. Maybe if I don't look at him. I'm not looking at him. Oh my gosh. I feel safe right here. Yeah, I'm gonna stay right here by the submarine. Nope, nope, I'm out of here. Nope, nope, out of here with stuff. Oh my god, this dude needs to get some exercise. No, 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 no. Okay, I know there's a tape in here. If you don't look at him, see, he's gone. I just got goosebumps going up and down me. Okay, guys. Oh shit, no. Hide in the cell, hide in the cell. This is like one of the stupid ideas off of a horror movie. Oh, oh, no. Oh, okay, every time I see him, my goosebumps go up. My light is starting to... Oh no, the pickle! Don't look at the pickle. Oh, oh. Alright, I'm gonna try getting it passed around this guy. Oh, 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 no, no. Okay, don't, oh, there's a tape. Get the tape and run. Oh. Two tapes, guys, two tapes. I don't know what that is. Oh shit, that scared me. I'm not looking at what? Oh my god, I wasn't looking at him. I wasn't. Oh my god, that's bullcrap. Well, guys, I hope you guys liked it. Try it out this game yourself. It's pretty fun. A little bit scary, not that much. The sound effects are scary. That's what makes this game scary. The sound effects. Like, comment, subscribe, and and I'll see you in the next one.